How to create a sprint in Clickup. First of all, open your Clickup workspace and go to your space where you want the sprint. You might notice there's no sprint option yet. After that, click here, go to the App Center, then choose All Click Apps and scroll down until you see sprints. Toggle it on to enable it for that space. Once it's enabled, close out of the App Center, return to your space, and click the plus icon. Now you'll see the sprint folder option available. Tap on it to create your sprint folder. Next, give your folder a name, like Keyword Research Sprint. Set the time estimate to either time or sprint points. Pick your start date, usually Monday, and set how long it will last, like 1 week. Click Next to review any automation options if you're on the business plan, or just hit Create. Now you'll see your sprint folder ready. After that, create a new list inside the sprint, for example, a to-do list, and add your tasks there. You can assign these tasks to team members, set priorities and due dates, and manage them in board view for better tracking. So this is how to create a sprint in Clickup. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.